Listen to me. Listen to me. I have some earbuds to tell you about. Let's get it. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard. And on this channel, I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. For you. Yeah, you. And in today's video, we have SoundPeats Mini Pro Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation Wireless Earbuds. You can currently pick these up for $59.99. Very, very, very reasonable price. It doesn't get better than that for some active noise cancellation earbuds. $59.99, 60 bucks. Come on. With inflation prices today, that is super cheap. You'll be paying 200 bucks for these next week. Yeah. Anyways, bam, they do have a bunch of features for 60 bucks. Not a bad deal. It does have the Qualcomm App X adaptive hybrid active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.2, kind of like doing that. I don't know, got stuck. You do have transparency mode, CVC 8.0. Don't know what that is. It does have a game mode, true wireless mirroring, and 24 hours of playback. That's a lot of time. That's good battery life if you ask me. Mini Pro, let's take a look at the packaging here. You have this very albino looking lady there with the earbuds in her ear. Pretty nice packaging. Hear your imagination. Basically, on the back you do have a image of the earbud itself. SoundPeats there. On the other side you do have wireless earbuds and giving you the audio codec, which is the Qualcomm App X adaptive SBC AAC. Maximum working range 10 meters, I believe. Playtime is 7 hours of playtime, up to 24 hours with the charging case. So individual playtime for each earbud is 7 hours, and then you can get up to 21 hours with the charging cases. So the case is going to provide about 21 hours of audio time or listening or talking time, whatever. But it does have a 300 milliamp hour battery charging case. I believe it's the battery inside the charging case is 300 milliamp hour battery. So without further ado, let's see what you get for 60 bucks. Go ahead and open these. Bam. Inside the case. Is there something in here? Yeah, you do. Look. Bam. Stuck in there. You do get the owner manual here. The Mini Pro earbuds. So make sure you read through all that. Make sure you follow all the instructions and how to pair the earbuds to your device, your favorite device. You do have some extra earbuds, ear tips there. Boom. And they're falling out, but they are included in there. A charging cable, USB to Type C. Nice to see that they're Type C. And the Mini Pros here themselves. And they are kind of mini. I kind of like this little small carrying case here. Very nice. You do have your Type C there for charging. Does not have wireless charging. You do have a LED indicator there, and then SoundPeats right there in front. This thing opens like that, and boom, the earbuds come out, and they are magnetically in place in the case. So looks pretty good. They look and feel pretty damn good. Let's go ahead and put this aside and let me go ahead and take the screenshot. Bam. So 60 bucks. These look very nice. Let's take a look at a earbud here. Voila, look at that. You got the SoundPeats logo there on the side. Let's go ahead and remove this so they can start charging. This is the left earbud. It says left there. The ear tip. Let's go ahead and remove the ear tip and look at the speaker. Very nice speaker there. Boom. Go ahead and put this back. Pretty sure that you can get aftermarket earbuds if you don't earbuds. Ear tips if you don't like these ear tips right here. I'm pretty sure you can get some other aftermarket ones there. But this is active now. So we're gonna start looking for a device. Same thing with the right one here. Looks the same. So look at that, very nice looking earbud. Not too heavy, not too heavy. So let me grab my Pixel device and see if we can pair this to my Pixel. And look for them. See if I gotta get one out. This is the right one. Here we go. SoundPeats Mini Pro. Bam. Pair. And there we go, 90% battery. So let me go ahead and put one of these on. This is the right one, I believe, because they are labeled. Yeah, right. And okay, they have different modes, so I'm pretty sure you want to go ahead and download the app if there is an app. You probably want to download the app if there is an app. Let's go see if there is an app, or let's SoundPeats. And there is an app right here. Let's go here, install it. Bam! Look at that, look at that. We're being very productive. Let's open. Let's open the app here. Agree. Allow. Let's register. I'm going to go ahead and register and come back to these here. So the app doesn't even work. Don't download the app. I tried it. It doesn't work. Let's go ahead and move on. You can navigate through these headphones very relatively simple. It does have active noise cancellation and pass through. So basically you have to kind of hold it like for 1.5 seconds. And then you go back to normal mode. Let's go ahead and do that again. Active noise cancellation on, and does a relatively good job of canceling noise. I can hear an airplane pass by earlier, just a minute ago, and then they just completely blocked the sound. Pretty good. Let's go ahead and try it again. Pass through the device means you can hear your ambient noise around you. Like I said, I can hear the airplane flying over right now, and when I did active noise cancellation NSC, it completely cut that out. I couldn't hear it. I can hear it now. Sounds good. Let's go see. Let's go to game mode. Okay, how do we go to game mode here? Let's see. You tap 3 times. Ooh, now we're in game mode. You tap 3 times. Tap 2 times to pause. Tap 2 times to hang up a call. Tap 2 times to answer a call. You tap once to lower the volume. You tap once to higher the volume. On this side, you higher. On this side, you lower. So each earbud has its own features, I guess. You control certain features with this earbud. You control other features with the right and the left. So if you tap 3 times here, I guess on your right, it's gonna activate like your Google Assistant. It says right here 3 times. Oh, 2 times actually. Let's do 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it did. It activated the Google Assistant right there. As you can see, I'm currently talking through the earbud, and it's picking up relatively pretty clear what I'm saying. Awesome. And we are on game mode, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and try out some songs real quick. Let me get out of here and let me go to the regular mode. Okay, we're on normal mode, and then let's go ahead and listen to this song I heard. These for $60 are amazing. The sound out of them are, they're heavy bass. So if you like nice heavy bass sound, $60, it don't get better than this. The features it has for $60, they don't get better than this. Active noise cancellation, pass through audio. My Pixel Buds don't even have pass through audio, active noise cancellation, and they're $100. Those are Pixel 8 buds. Let's do a little bit of gaming. Let me put them on game mode and let me see how bad the latency is. You tap 3 times on your left one and it puts it in game mode. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, Clash Royale was very, very loud. I do have it at the highest level, and the latency was absolutely amazing. There was no delay or anything like that in sound. Let me go ahead and try a quick Call of Duty mobile game and see how that works here. But so far, so good, man. I'm very impressed with these. I'm actually thinking I'm going to use these as my dailies. The only thing I wish right now was that if the app actually worked, where you can pair the app, then control the features through the app, that would have been amazing. Let me know down in the comment section if I even downloaded the correct app or if I downloaded the wrong app, because there were a couple of SoundPeats apps there. I don't know quite which one was the actual one. So let me know down in the comment section below if you have used these SoundPeats before or any of their products, and know if I'm in the wrong or in the wrong app, so I can actually pair these to the correct app and unlock more features if there's even more. But I'll go ahead and check that out real quick because it's not connecting to the app I downloaded currently. But they work amazing, so it seems like you don't need the app for them to work and to take advantage of all it has to offer. But as far as right now, these look and feel amazing. My ears are not getting tired. They're not in any they're not getting fatigued by any ways or means, shape, or form. So ooh, and they sound good. Let this download. I'm gonna come back as soon as this download. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out real quick, but let it download and we'll come back after this download. So I'm gonna run a quick COD mobile game, and so far dude, there's like no lag time. Like the latency on these are pretty good. I'm pretty surprised, man. Let me start shooting some bullets and then I'll see you how good it is. Wow, dude. Anyways, for $60, these things don't get better. Who are these for? If you're looking for a great pair of earbuds that don't cost a lot, that you want to use on a daily for work, I strongly recommend these SoundPeats Mini Pros. For a kid, teenager, or anything like that, don't want to spend that much money because nowadays earbuds tend to range a little bit higher, over north of $100, up to $200-300. They won't be disappointed with these, man. These SoundPeats here, as far as battery life, I haven't been able to test the battery life, but the sound quality on these are amazing. The features these things have are amazing. Active noise cancellation, the transparency, the game mode, the latency in game mode is like none. It's dead on point. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the Qualcomm apX adaptive engine it has or something like that, but these feel and sound amazing. It doesn't get better than these, man. $60 SoundPeats. I strongly recommend these. You won't be disappointed. I honestly, and they feel good in ear, you know what I'm saying? They give you a nice solid seal. Obviously you can upgrade these ear tips with aftermarket ones, and bam, dude, these are amazing. I think I'm gonna start using these as my work earbuds. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any question in regarding these earbuds, let me know down in the comment section below. I can't stress enough how great these earbuds, how good they sound. I'm not a audiophile by any means or necessary. I'm just your typical average guy, and to me, music, they're heavy on bass, so they sound good. Gaming sounds good. Everything is just a nice package for $60. The features it has to offer for $60, it don't get better than that. Like I said, any questions in regarding these SoundPeats Mini Pros, let me know down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.